Hey lawyers, I'm out here on my deck in Sausalito, California, and I'm going to talk about marketing today. I'm a little bit lazy about being inside. I'm doing professional filming. There's my dog Winnie. Anyway, last week I talked about the 3 top ways that you get clients, and they get progressively a little bit harder as you go. The top one is, of course, referrals. And the second one is if somebody fills out a form on your website, and your website has the right kind of language, the right copy on there, then they can weed themselves out if they're not a good client. And the third, which is a little bit harder, is advertising. Because advertising, you need to weed out the clients that aren't good clients, and you also need to help them to self-select as a qualified client for you. So you're putting a lot of the burden on those people, and it costs a little bit more to get those clients. But for me, like when I talk about advertising, I think that you should have all 3 of those things going all the time. The other thing about advertising is it's not just turn on any ad and it works. It's just like lawyers. You guys are all so different with your experience. Just like when a client retains you, you send them something that says, I can't guarantee that this is going to actually work, you know? But with your experience, after looking at what all the parts of the case is, then you're going to say, I think I can win this case, so I'll take it. You don't have to take every case, obviously, but some cases are going to be more easier to win and more obvious of a slam dunk than others. And it's the same way with marketing. I work with personal injury lawyers. I work with Social Security disability benefit and veteran benefit lawyers. And I've done some others. But if you do advertising, you want to work with me, you have to plan to stay in the game. And if you have to have a budget for the advertising platform, and you have to have a budget for me so that I can make all of your advertising and meet all the media for your advertising and make sure that it's stuff that I know has done the very best job of getting clients on a regular basis for years. If you're interested in that, give me a call. Otherwise, I hope this video has been slightly informative and a little bit helpful. All right, happy summer.